Let's explore the concept of hacking in the context of cybersecurity. At its core, hacking involves exploiting system vulnerabilities and compromising security to gain unauthorized access. This practice includes modifying systems or application features without permission and often involves the theft or redistribution of intellectual property, which can result in significant business losses. The fundamental hacking methodology consists of three primary phases. Initially, there is reconnaissance, which encompasses open-source intelligence gathering, footprinting, and active scanning techniques. Following the reconnaissance phase, penetration occurs, representing the active component of hacking where threat actors deploy malware or utilize social engineering tactics. The final phase focuses on maintaining control, which involves implementing backdoors and establishing persistence while concealing evidence of intrusion. When examining the profile of a hacker, several key characteristics emerge. These individuals typically possess advanced computer and networking expertise, along with strong system exploration capabilities. Their roles can vary significantly, ranging from security consultants conducting authorized penetration testing to cybercriminals engaging in malicious activities. The cybersecurity community recognizes several distinct categories of hackers. The classification system begins with the traditional hat designation. White hat hackers operate ethically, working to strengthen security systems through authorized testing. In contrast, black hat hackers engage in malicious activities for personal gain or destructive purposes. Additionally, gray hat hackers occupy a middle ground, often acting without authorization, but potentially sharing their findings with affected organizations. Moving to other categories, script kiddies represent less skilled individuals who rely on pre-existing tools and tutorials. Furthermore, state-sponsored hackers receive support from government entities to target specific organizations or nations. The hacktivist community focuses on politically motivated attacks, while suicide hackers show disregard for consequences. Moreover, cyber terrorists operate with extreme ideological motivations, aiming to create fear and disruption. Speaking of state-sponsored threats, advanced persistent threats represent a sophisticated category of external actors. These groups maintain long-term unauthorized access to systems, utilizing multiple attack vectors. Their operations typically focus on intelligence gathering against government, military, and commercial targets. To illustrate this concept, consider several notable APT groups. For instance, one group targets aerospace and government sectors in Asian Pacific nations, utilizing common security testing tools. Another significant threat actor focuses on NATO-aligned countries, developing custom malware and exploitation tools. Additionally, some groups specialize in social media manipulation and email compromise techniques. The security landscape also includes insider threats, which present unique challenges. These situations involve trusted users who misuse system access, either accidentally or intentionally. While most insider incidents result from unintentional actions, some cases involve deliberate activities by disgruntled employees or corporate espionage. Critical to understanding insider threats is recognizing that they often occur due to inadequate access management, particularly in cases involving terminated employees who retain system access. This highlights the importance of proper security protocols and access control measures.